Hello dear students, let us continue our topic which is your differentiation, and this is your topic which we have already discussed in the last video. And in the last video I told you how can we do the derivative of x, x square and x cube. So now we are going to find the derivative of the function where x to the power n is given to you. So this is the function which is your given as x to the power n. So we will find the derivative of this function with respect to first principle, and if a function is there, then its derivative is given by limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Now we have the value of f of x here. Need the value of f of x plus h, and this can be obtained by replacing x by x plus h. So this is your x plus h to the power n. So let me put down the value of f of x plus h and f of x in the given formula, and this is given by limit h approaches to 0 x plus h to the power n minus x to the power n over h. Now my dear students, we have to solve this limit, और लिमिट क्योंकि फंक्शन पर अप्लाई की हुई है और फंक्शन को सोल्व करना है. सोल्व करने के लिए वी हैव टू जस्ट यूज योर फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, वी कैन यूज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, वी कैन यूज, वी हैव अ डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला गिवन बाय लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए एक्स टू द पावर एन माइनस ए टू द पावर एन अपॉन एक्स माइनस ए, और वी कैन यूज योर एल हॉस्पिटल रूल. बच्चों एल हॉस्पिटल रूल के लिए डेरिवेटिव जानना हमें ज़रूरी है, लेकिन डेरिवेटिव हमने स्टार्ट किए हैं तो वी आर नॉट use that formula. Factorization is not possible because power n is there. It's very difficult. We can use but very complicated to open the nth power. So we will apply the formula which we have discussed in your 13.1 exercise. If x tends to a is there and x to the power n minus a to the power n is there divided by x minus a, it can be replaced by n a to the power n minus 1. So this formula is to be used here. फॉर्मूले की तरफ ध्यान से देखिएगा. x should approach to a, whatever the x is there, here should also be x, here should also be x. ये तीनों जो टर्म्स हैं they all should be same. सो x x x तीनों टर्म सेम होनी ज़रूरी है. इधर a और a ये तीनों सेम होनी ज़रूरी है. पावर दे शुड ऑल्सो भी सेम. तो इस तरह की मुझे ये आइडेंटिटी इधर बनानी पड़ेगी, और इधर बनाने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ योर x प्लस एच एंड इन डिनोमीटर ओनली h इज़ देयर. सो आई रिक्वायर्ड x प्लस एच इन द डिनोमीटर एज वेल, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर x प्लस एच है तो मुझे नीचे भी x प्लस एच चाहिए. बिकॉज h को तो मैं रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता हूँ, यानी x को हम एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन टेक x इन द डिनोमीटर बाय एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग लाइक दिस. लेट मी एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ इट इज़ योर x प्लस एच, दिस इज ऑल्सो x प्लस एच, ओनली रिमेनिंग हेयर. लिमिट को देखिएगा आप, यहाँ पर भी दोनों तरफ क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन एड x ऑन बोथ साइड्स लाइक दिस, क्योंकि अगर h 0 को अप्रोच करती है तो x प्लस एच x को अप्रोच करेगा. And this is your x plus h to the power n minus x to the power n divided by x plus h minus x. Let's see. Now you can compare this, the given question with the given standard formula, which is your x plus h is approaching to h. This is x plus h, this is x plus h, this is x plus h. A should be x x x. तीनों क्वांटिटी सेम है, यहाँ पर भी तीनों क्वांटिटी सेम है. सेम एज दिस इज योर x x x, यहाँ पर a और दोनों की पावर भी सेम है. सो दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी कंपेयर विद द गिवन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला एंड कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय n. व्हाट इज n? n इज योर सेम एज पावर n. इन प्लेस ऑफ a here is your x. So a can be replaced by x. So formula will be n x to the power is your n, so n minus 1. So dear students, the derivative of f of x is given by n x to the power n minus 1. So derivative यानी कि derivative of f of x can be written as your derivative of x to the power n can be written as your nx to the power n minus 1. So in the last video I have told you that if derivative of x is there, it is equal to 1 only, because it can be taken x to the power 1. So 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1, which is your 1 into x to the power 0, is equal to 1. But derivative of if x square is there, then it is given by 2x to the power 2 minus 1, which is 2x only. Derivative of x cube is there, then this is your 3x to the power 3 minus 1, which is your 3x square. ऑलरेडी मैं आपको प्रूव कर चुका हूँ ये तीनों की तीनों. x का डेरिवेटिव मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको करके बताया था, x स्क्वायर के लिए भी बताया मैंने आपको, x क्यूब के लिए भी बताया, एंड सो ऑन वी कैन ऑब्टेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x to the power n as your nx to the power n minus 1, and this is your the generalized standard formula which can be applied on any of the question which is in the form of x to the power n. तो अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन बच्चों x की पावर n की फॉर्म में है और उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, तो डायरेक्ट मेथड यू कैन अप्लाई एज योर n x to the power n minus 1, और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल. देखिए फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फॉर्मूला अगर आपसे पूछा जाए क्वेश्चन के अंदर तो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यूज़ करना है. अदरवाइज अगर आपको डायरेक्ट आपको किसी फंक्शन जो कि x टू द पावर n की फॉर्म में डेरिवेटिव करने के लिए बोला जाए, तो यू कैन अप्लाई दिस डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला. लाइक अगर x टू द पावर 11 का डेरिवेटिव आपको करना है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x टू द पावर 11 यू वांट टू डू, देन डायरेक्टली विदाउट यूजिंग फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यू कैन राइट इट एज 11x टू द पावर 10. सॉरी, same as your, if x to the power 15 is there, derivative of x to the power 15 you want to find, then it will be given by 15x to the power 14 and so on. So you can directly use this formula, standard formula, which is standard one also. This is known as direct formula, direct method, and this is known as your first principle. So this was your the type where x to the power n is there, and how can we find the first principle as well as your the direct method can be used. I have told you all these. So let me do now the question which is in the form of ax plus b to the power n. So let me take a question through your first principle. How can we find the derivative of which is in the form of ax plus b? So let me take the function as your x plus 1 whole square. I want to do the derivative of x plus 1 whole square, and let me do the first through your first principle. So we have the formula as your limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is the formula to find the derivative of any function with respect to x through your first principle. So here we need f of x plus h, because f of x is already given as x plus 1 whole square. So what will be the value of f of x plus h? This is given by x plus h plus 1 whole square, like this. बिकॉज जहाँ पर भी बच्चों x होगा वहाँ पर उसको हमने x प्लस h से रिप्लेस कर देना है. नाउ पुट दीज वैल्यूज इन द गिवन फंक्शन. दिस इज गिवन बाय लिमिट x प्लस h प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय h, एंड दिस इज योर गिवन बाय लिमिट h अप्रोचेज टू 0. नाउ ओपन द स्क्वायर बाय यूजिंग a प्लस b प्लस c होल स्क्वायर identity. This is given by a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is a plus b plus c whole square minus this can be written as your a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by, because minus sign is there, so all terms will be negative, divided by h. Cancel out whatever it is your cancelling. 1 1 2x with 2x. बच्चों तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जितने भी टर्म्स बचेंगी आपकी सारी की सारी एच की फॉर्म में होंगी, यानी कि जो भी टर्म्स आपकी बचती हैं दे शुड बी ऑल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एच. सो दिस इज़ योर लिमिट एच अप्रोचेज टू 0. यहाँ से आप एच कॉमन ले लीजिएगा. सो दिस इज़ योर एच प्लस 2x एंड दिस इज़ योर प्लस 2 and divided by h also. So h will be cancelled out with the h and the remaining terms can also be put equal to 0. So this is your 2x plus 2, or similarly or we can take 2 comma, so this is twice of x plus 1. So derivative of f of x is given by twice of x plus 1. I think this is very much clear to everyone. Let me take one more example to do the derivative of function, and this is your, let me take 2x plus 1 whole square or 2x plus 3, it's your choice to take any of the function. So derivative of x plus 1 whole square is given by twice of x plus 1. Now I am taking one more example which is your given by 2x plus 3 whole square. I am taking 2x plus 3 whole square. This is the given question. We want to do the derivative of the function 2x plus 3 whole square. So formula remains same. F of x plus h minus f of x upon h, where limit h approaches to 0. We have to just put down the value of f of x, which is your 2x plus 3 whole square. Need to find the value of f of x plus h, and that will be given by, this is your 2x plus 3 whole square, like this. And this will be, actually this will be your twice of x plus h plus 3 and like this. बच्चों जहाँ पर भी x होगा आप उसको x प्लस h से रिप्लेस करना है. अगर 2 टाइम्स है x तो 2 टाइम्स h भी रहेगा साथ में, और अगर 3 टाइम्स तो 3 टाइम्स होगा. So let me put down the values of this one and this one in the given question. This is limit h approaches to 0, twice of x plus h plus 3 whole square minus 2x plus 3 whole square divided by h. Now you have to just simplify it. So this is your limit h approaches to 0. This is 2x plus 2h plus 3 whole square minus 2x plus 3 whole square divided by h is there, and this is your limit h approaches to 0. Now a plus b plus c whole square is there, so this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab means 2 to the 4 to the 8xh plus 2bc, which is your 4 3 the 12 12h plus 2ca, ca means 2 into 4 into 3 12x, and minus, now using identity, a plus b whole square given by a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ab means minus 12x, and divided by h. Now let's see, all the terms without h will be cancelled out, like 4x square se cancel, 9 will be cancelled out with the 9, 12x will be cancelled with the 12x, and the remaining terms, all the remaining terms will have your h as common. So this is your limit h approaches to 0, h is common, so this is 4h plus 8x plus 12, and remaining terms already cancelled out. So h से h कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर आप h को 0 पुट करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी और 8x plus 12, और इसमें से आप देखिएगा 4 कॉमन है, सो दिस इज योर 2x plus 3. सो बच्चों डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x plus 3 का होल स्क्वायर इज गिवन बाय 4 times of 2x plus 3. So this is the question in which ax plus b to the power n is there. So similarly we can find so many derivatives through your first principle, and will obtain that if the derivative is there in the form of ax plus b to the power n, then its derivative is always given by, this is your equal to n ax plus b to the power n minus 1 and multiply by coefficient of x, which is your a. So derivative of ax plus b to the power n can be written as n ax plus b to the power n minus 1. So this is the second generalized direct method to find the derivative of any function in the form of ax plus b to the power n. अगर बच्चों कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो कि ax plus b to the power n की फॉर्म में होता है, उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालने के लिए वी कैन अप्लाई n ax plus b to the power n minus 1. जैसे अगर एग्जांपल लूँ मैं आपके लिए, जिससे अब मैं ये क्वेश्चन देखिएगा 2x plus 3 का स्क्वायर अगर हम लेते हैं और इसका डेरिवेटिव करेंगे क्या हुआ, दिस इज योर n इज योर 2 here, सो 2x plus 3 की पावर में से अगर 2 minus 1 करते हैं, साथ में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x विच इज़ 2, सो दिस इज योर 2 into 2 4 into 2x plus 3 की पावर 1, so this is your nothing but the same as your what we have obtained through your first principle. Let's see, this is the derivative we obtained and this is the derivative through your direct method. So this is the second formula which I illustrated you. This is known as direct formula and this is the first principle through which this formula is your occurring. So in this way we have done the two types of the derivative. Number one, we have illustrated x to the power n in the last video, and today I have illustrated the method or the formula which is given by ax plus b to the power n, and this can be obtained by n ax plus b to the power n minus 1. Let me do some direct questions based on this formula. ये तो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से हमने तो किए हैं बच्चों, अब मैं एक दो तीन क्वेश्चन आपके डायरेक्ट मेथड से करते हैं. चलिए, लाइक दिस, if function is given as your, let me take f of x is your 1 minus 3x to the power 7, then its derivative fx, derivative of fx is denoted by f dash x. This is given by 7 1 minus 3x to the power 7 minus 1 into minus 3, the coefficient of x which is your minus 3. So this is your minus 21 into 1 minus 3x to the power 6. So derivative of this function will be given by this one through direct method. Let me take one more question. If f of x is you're given by square root of 1 plus 3x. बच्चों स्क्वायर रूट को हम हमेशा रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं विद द पावर 1/2 like this. Then derivative of this function is given by f dash x can be obtained by 1/2 into 1 plus 3x to the power 1/2 minus 1, and the coefficient of x need to be taken as your 3. So this is your 3/2 into 1 plus 3x to the power minus 1/2 and can be written as 3/2 root of 1 plus 3x. So this is the derivative of the given question 1 plus 3x whole under root. So बच्चों, I have told you the two formulas. Number one, x to the power n, and this is given by n x to the power n minus 1. This is the direct method to find the derivative of x to the power n form, and second direct method is your ax plus b to the power n through your direct method. And also I have illustrated the first principle in which I have illustrated some questions based on your these two methods. So in the next video we will discuss some more questions. Thank you.